visit the Philippines or if you're already living in the Philippines, we have here a list of apps that could save your life or can just simply make your trip better. So there are two legitimate ways on planning our trip to the Philippines. It's either you use Google Map or the Tripadvisor app. The reason why I prefer Google Map is because I can plan my trip based on the areas that I am going to be visiting. I can look for the destinations that are nearest to me and I can decide what I wanted to see based on whether or not I had enough time to reach those destinations. The reason why I find maps better is because the reviews are more genuine and it's easier to find information. Also, don't underestimate it in finding accommodations. The second app that we have is Klooks. This is one of the famous apps in the Philippines. It simply helps you in having a good deal for the destinations, entrance fee, other services, anything that can make your trip way better. Cut out the middleman and works directly with the destination managers or the owners so that they will give you much better deals. Transportation, walking tour, food tours, even SIM cards. MetroDeal is the best app to get the best deal and at the same time cheaper price of anything that you would like when it comes to restaurants, buffet, entrance fee, destination, transportation, airfare, hotels, spas, beauty and wellness, even gym and fitness. They have vouchers and coupons with discounts and it's really good. And I did not use it before. I only heard it from my teammates back when I was working and it's really good. You can see all the deals and which airline, which spa offer a certain service and how much are they being offered. Now we have PackPoint. PackPoint is an app that creates a checklist for all the things that you need to bring on your next trip. It considers the weather, the locations, and the activities that you're planning to do. Also, you can share your custom checklist with all your friends so that they know what to bring. I just find that this app is very useful in all locations. To save you from annoying taxi driver, you can use Grab for transportation. This is equivalent to Uber because Uber is no longer working in the Philippines. With Angkas, it's only 100 pesos. If you're going to ask me, I'm not really a fan of Angkas because I feel unsafe, especially on highways. But if you wanted to skip the traffic and you don't want to pay big amount with taxi drivers and you don't have any luggage, Angkas is the best transportation for you. Sahay.ph is an app that I wish I would have known about. This is the best commuting app, so you know how much you would need to pay for the jeep, for the bus, until you reach your destination, so that you can have all those peso ready. If you want accurate, up-to-date traffic information, Waze is the best app in the Philippines. In addition, it gives you information about any accident that happened in the road. Also, it will save you from any policeman that get money. Some say Skyscanner is not the cheapest and that there are other alternatives out there. But in years of searching for flights, I never find any better alternatives. What sets it apart is the ease with which you can browse future flights. The trick is to be flexible with your dates. which will give you the better chance on finding the best bargain. If you're looking for special company during your trip, Tinder is the best app for you. I found my husband on Tinder and it works for us. You don't need to pay for any services or any dating website. All the girls are in Tinder. Just a quick mention of some apps that should be on your phone. For best accommodation app, you can use Agoda and Traveloka. If you are looking for a restaurant around your area, Zomato is a good app because it includes the picture of the menu on that restaurant and the price. And if you want your food to be delivered in your home or in the hotel, you can use Food Panda. Now, if you do not want the hassle on planning your trips, booking transportation or any kind of hassle and just wanted to chill, the Tripkada app is a good app for you. You can join a group that already have an itinerary and it's hassle-free. And those are the apps that could save your life in the Philippines. No, that will make your trip in the Philippines hassle-free. I wish. Good luck, guys. Good luck to your trip in the Philippines. I hope you enjoy it and I hope that you did enjoy this video as well. If you like this video, give this. And don't forget to subscribe there. And not just this channel, but also I have a beauty channel and you can see how I have this storm look. I'll have that link below and we'll see you on our next video.
Is expensive. You don't need to give up your dreams just because you think it's impossible to travel with all those expenses and responsibilities that you have with your family. You just need to develop the skills that people are willing to pay for. And to help you with this, there is Skillshare. You can learn and develop your skills by the help of those professional people who share their experiences. Skillshare is the best place to start. Find your passion and the one thing that people are willing to pay real money for.